Hey guys, what's going on? Today we've got a 21 Dodge Charger Scat Pack in here. We're going to do a VORTECH Supercharger on it. We're going to get started as soon as possible. We have an intercooler going into it. We're going to upgrade the fuel system, new injectors, and then we have a tuner as well, and we're going to throw a tune on it. So stay tuned, and we will get back to you guys as soon as possible.
I have all the gas out now.
What kind of dumb shit you doing, Hunter?
All the dumb shit.
Yeah.
All the off.
Remember when he came in and got that extra shirt?
Yeah.
I came out here.
He had just as much fuel
Air
in his
gun.
shorts.
And an air gun up my fucking shorts going.
Pissing all over yourself.
Getting all the gas out of there.
What's up, guys? The other day we got the car disassembled. So today our plan is to get the supercharger on, the heat exchanger on, and the intercooler on, and do all the modifying to the brackets to get everything to bolt up. We should be done with this in the next day or two, so we're going to throw you on time lapse and get to moving. This?
Yeah. I was like, damn.
So if I remember right, it's to where the tape is level with the balancer, right? No.
Yeah, and that gets to here.
Which are close.
Yeah. Very close. Oh, I hate the backing out part.
So we drilled this hole out. Now you put the dowel pin in there so the pulley doesn't slip. Going on, everybody? So last step here before we finish this thing up and get the front end buttoned up, Hunter's installing a fuel pump booster down here. Basically you wire that into the car's OEM fuel pump wiring, which is located under there, and it boosts the fuel pressure going into the rail. So just a little bit longer and we will have this thing being put back together, finish up the front end, and be making some power.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Oh. This has a 0 to 60 timer on it. Uh-oh.
And a reaction time.
How do you do that? Oh. Oh. Okay. Eighth mile. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
It's got a draggy built in.
Uh-oh. It's got a best of 12.1.
For a quarter?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright, I'll get out and be your flag girl.
The tires loose
The whole time.
Jesus, this thing is wild.
Yeah, we need a shop car, bud.
Rowdy.
Shop car
You're
and start
talking-
setting up meets or something.
You're talking low 3s in this heavy 200-pound car.
Yeah.
0 to 60. That's fucking wild. So low 3, 0 to 60 with AC on.
Yeah. Full blast.
Dig it. I dig it hard.
Need to set up a track day for all these cars.
I know.
I love the blow off. That's
Dude,
so
this thing is
good.
wild. Moral to the lesson on this one, displacement really made a difference.
Yeah.
Because we took the 5.7, threw a cam in it, and it didn't really, I mean, it picked up, clearly, but it didn't, like, pick up crazy.
Yeah,
So we
with
put
this
those
one-
headers on it.
This one feels like it pulls harder
Oh, dude.
with less money into the upgrades.
Oh, God.